Assalamu alaikum guys, once again welcome back to 7 Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today I will discuss in this video for this plan of house which size is 30 feet and by 75 feet. You can see this is guys ground floor plan, and this is first floor plan. You can see this is its front elevation, and this is gate boundary wall elevation. Guys, total area of the plot is which size is 30 feet by 75 feet, which become, you can see, 2250 square feet. You can see guys, covered area on yard floor, that is 1592 square feet. And covered area on first floor, that is 1122 or 1122.5 square feet. So total covered area become guys 2715.25 square feet. So let's start from the ground floor plan. Size is 25 by 75 feet. You can see guys, this is the lawn, which is 10 feet width. Here you can see guys, this is car porch, which size is 12 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 3 inches. Its length is 12 feet 9 inches and its width is guys 10 feet and 3 inches. Guys, you can see this is the main entrance. Also this is stair lobby, which size is 12 feet 9 inches. This is 12 feet and 9 inches, this its length. And its width is 7 feet and 9 inches. You can see this is its straight. You can see this is to the upside. Which straight size straight is guys 11 inches. And its riser is 7 inch. You can see guys, to this in this stair lobby, you can see this is its ventilation system. So here this is the one step to the stair lobby. Guys, you can see this is the other from the main entrance. You can see this is the window for a drawing room and also for dining room. So the drawing room size is 15 feet by 10 feet and 9 inches, or 10 feet and 7.5 inch. And this is also dining room is also in this drawing room. You can see which size is 10 feet by 12 feet. This is dining room. Guys, from the main entrance, from the stair lobby, you can see this is up to the first floor, which is this one. You can see guys, this is also entrance to this lounge, which size is 17 feet 9 inches by 18 feet. And this is you can use as a store, you can use, which size is 5 feet by 11 feet 4.5 inches, right? This is guys bedroom from this TV lounge. This is sitting area. You can see this is bedroom, which size is 12 feet 9 inches by 16 feet, which width is 12 feet 9 inches and its length is 16 feet. Here guys, you can see also dress is here, also bath is here, which size is 12 feet 9 inches by 6 feet and 7.5 inch, which width is 6 feet and 7.5 inch, and its length is 12 feet and 9 inches. Here guys, you can see to this car porch. Now I will discuss its window. So therefore you can see this passage is so this is passage, also this one. Both passage is 5 feet. This is also 5 feet. And this is also 5 feet. Here guys, you can see from this TV lounge, you can see this is the window to this passage, and this is also the window from this bedroom to this passage. Also you can see the ventilation system. This is a tub for bathing. You can see this is its ventilation system to this lawn, back side, which width is 5 feet. Here guys, you can see this is also the veranda, which size is 4 feet and 3 inches. This is veranda to back side for the open to sky side, to the open to sky side. Guys, you can see from this veranda, you can see this is kitchen 10 feet by 11 feet. This is kitchen and this is pantry. You can see which size is 10 feet and 7 inches. You can see also from this side, you can see its window. Also you can see this is the other window. Guys, this is ground floor. Now this is first floor. First floor, you can also see this is roof, low roof, and also this is terrace. And this is you can see chajja design, but you can't see properly. That's why, because there are more hitchings Okay, so this is first floor. As you can see, this is up. Here you can see the window, and this staircase is also again for the second floor. Okay, here guys you can see this is TV lounge on first floor, 17 feet 9 inch by 16 feet. Okay, also this is the bedroom, which size is 10 feet by, here you can see 10 feet by 16 feet. This is bath with this bedroom. Okay, this is also you can use for the servant. Okay, you can see which size is 10 feet 10 feet by 10 feet by 6 10 feet and 6 inch by 10 feet 5 inches. Okay, I also can't see, so let me show you from here. You can see when I focus the camera, so you will see it clearly. Here you can see size is 10 feet 6 inch by 10 feet and 6 inch by 10 feet and 5 inches. Okay, you can see this is toilet, which size is 4 by 4 feet. This is a small veranda on the first floor. You can see which size is 5 feet 7.5 inch by 6 feet 4.5 inch. This is the terrace to the back side. Again you can see this is a bedroom, which size is 12 feet 9 inches by 16 feet, same like this one. Okay, so now guys let me focus again the camera. Okay, so these are windows again. Okay, here guys come to its front elevation. This is its front elevation. This is ground floor elevation, and this is first floor elevation. Guys, you can see this is a design. Okay, elevation design. You can see this is like this. So here also you can see guys, this is window, a small window for this stair lobby. Okay, so you can see that is this one. This is guys, you can see this is main entrance, which is this one. Here guys you can see from the drawing room, you can see its window, so which is this one, right? Here this is first floor, also you can see this window. Okay, which you can see here, this is that one. This is window, which you can see, this is the first one, this is the second one, and elevation. Okay, here guys you can see also this one. Okay, so that one is here, you can show easily. This is its view. Okay, now guys you can see its gate boundary wall. So gate boundary wall is this one, but you can see there isn't any dimension to tell you, just this is a design. So guys this is the very short video to discuss this plan with ground floor, first floor, gate boundary wall and elevation. So guys, if you have any question related with this topic, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. And yes, if you need the PDF file of this drawing, so the link is in the description of this video. Click on that PDF file, you can download easily and you can use for your plan if you need. So guys also you can visit to my website www.civilstudents.com if you need more information related with civil engineering or drawing or anything related with civil engineering. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.